Okay, everyone, pulling fire alarms in schools, unfortunately, is very common because there are kids that don't want to go to class. They want to skip a test. They want to do it for a prank. They want to do it for fun. And they want to scare people. So, this is why false alarms are a big problem in school environments. And this is why every single pull station inside of a school that is in student hallways, cafeterias, classrooms, gymnasiums, libraries, or anywhere where students are populated must have stopper covers with built-in alarms over them to keep tampering under control. Now, if a kid in a school is trying to pull the fire alarm without a fire or without authorization, they will lift the cover and then an alarm goes off. And what that alarm will do is draw attention to school administrators or security or teachers that a student is about to pull the fire alarm without a fire or without authorization, and they will either run away or put it back because the person is looking at it. Now, when there is a real fire, make sure you lift the box and then you pull the red handle down. Only lifting that box does not cause the fire alarm system to activate. Or if schools are conducting fire drills or performing fire alarm system tests. That alarm on that cover is there to deter pranksters from pulling the alarm for fun. Goodbye.